AI, AI, AI. That is all the hoopla online. The question is, are you simply focused on and worried about how AI is going to take over the world and you're going to be left behind and you're going to be obsolete? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can leverage AI to have a massive amount of increase in your productivity as far as producing your social media content is concerned. That's what we're going to talk about. Stay tuned for that. All right, so that's what we're going to do.
Real question is this: as a business, as an investor, as someone whose success lies in getting in front of the right people, people who will do business with us, how do we break through obscurity? How do we break through the noise? How do we showcase our message, our opportunities, and our offers in front of the right people? That is the question, and this show has the answer. My name is Raza Aziz. Welcome to The Bold Entrepreneur.
So listen, one of the things that I'm always keeping an eye out on technology, seeing what it's doing, and how does it make me a better content producer or a person who can reach their clients and help them be much more effective in their marketing, in their business, in the things that they wish to accomplish. And if you're following me, you're one of the three categories. Number one, you're either an affiliate marketer, or number two, you are somebody who is a business owner, you have a brick and mortar business, or you're some sort of a self-employed professional. Either of these categories, you are going to find that what I'm about to share with you is absolutely going to blow you away. Because over the next 10 minutes or 9 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leverage a couple of tools to be able to produce content at light speed. So I want you to track with me, keep this video handy so that it helps you produce content for your social media. And, if you've been listening to me for any number of time, any number of weeks, months, I'm a huge fan of social media. And one of the things that I find is that the way social media needs to be used, most marketers or most business owners do not have the know-how, do not have the capacity, and do not have the systems in place to be able to do it the way it needs to be used. Because listen, your customers, the people who are going to buy your products, your services, your offers, people who are going to watch your webinars, people who are going to follow you on social media are on social media. Right? So producing content and being able to up your game using the tools that you have available is really key. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use Chat GPT. Oops. I'm going to use Chat GPT to produce some content, to produce some social media posts. And then I'm going to use Canva to be able to create memes and captions and all of that stuff. And I want you to track with me carefully because this can absolutely elevate your productivity. How much is this going to cost you? $0. Okay. So let me share my screen with you and we'll dive right into it. Hopefully you're ready. Okay. So let's do this. So let me share my screen with you and there we go. Where's my whole desktop? I want to do that entire screen and share. So you should be able to see my screen right now. There you go. Now you should be able to see my screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT, you can create a free account right now. You don't necessarily need a paid version for it. Okay, so you're going to go into ChatGPT and go to chat.openai.com. Okay, you're going to do a login. And here's what I did. What I did is I created a search right here. You notice what I said? Share 10 tips. So I'm asking ChatGPT to share 10 tips to help service-based business owners increase sales in their business. Okay, so that's a market that I work with, and that's what a content I'm creating. Okay, one of the things that you can do is once it writes it out, and let's just say, hey, by the way, one of the other things that you can also do is you can go in here and ask ChatGPT to write 10 inspirational, oops, inspirational uh, posts to help new entrepreneurs. It's very generic, but let's just say if I wanted to create that now, let's see, I hit enter. Let's see what it does. Okay. So it's thinking right now. It's looking at it's like, as I've created a pretty broad search over here. So let's see what it does. There you go. It's starting to write. So write 10 inspirational posts to help new entrepreneurs. So it's going to go, and again, ChatGPT has studied the internet over the past, since up to 2021, and it's just creating posts. Now, one of the things that you can do is when you want to take these posts and you can customize them. You can add a little bit of your flavor. If you want to add some hashtags in there, you can do that as well. All of those things. I'm going to let it finish and create the 10 posts for you. And then I want to share with you what you're going to do with it, because it's all about efficiency. It's all about productivity. Okay. Now you can choose to dedicate 10 minutes a day to be able to do this, and you will have content that you can schedule for the rest of the week or rest of the 2 weeks, whatever it is that you want to do, so that you can truly be present with your customers, be serving them, be mentoring your people, whatever it is that you do that you enjoy doing. I love interacting with people. I love helping people. I love having conversations with them. I love meeting people, helping my customers win, spend time there. For doing this kind of stuff, I want to be very efficient with my time. Okay, so we're at 6. So let's go ChatGPT. Come on. So once this is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these posts that ChatGPT is creating. I'm not going to do any editing just for the sake of this video, but you can do that. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it to a Google Doc, in a spreadsheet. Okay, because what we're going to do, we're going to import that spreadsheet into Canva. Okay, so far the tools that I've introduced you to, number one, I've introduced you to, you know what, I'm just going to stop this for now. I'm just going to work with 6 for now. So ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Sheets. All of these platforms are free. So here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, I'm going to copy them. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so there we go. All of the content is pasted in here and voila. And I think it was completing this and to make sure your products or services are designed to meet the needs of your customers. There we go. Oops. Custom. There we go. All right. Awesome. This, I'll put a name to this file as well, which is social media test post, whatever you want to name it. And then what I want to do is I want to download it as a CSV file. Okay, so comma separated values. So I'm just going to click on that and I'm just going to, it's going to download it to my download folder. Now, while I was doing that, then I go to Canva. Now in Canva, what I want to do is I want to create some posts. So let's just say I want to create Facebook posts or LinkedIn posts, Instagram posts, doesn't matter, or you want to create stories, it's up to you. But let's just do some Facebook posts. And I will pick up a blank template. And once I have this blank template over here, I can put whatever design I want on here. So I am going to go and say quotes. So let's just see what design I can get. So let's just say that I like this one here. Oh, so I go in here, I adjust it a little bit. I want to make sure the font is a little smaller here, so I'm adjusting that. So I'm just going to put it at 25, let's say. Here I might want, let's say, my website, so www.razaziz.com. Okay, there you go. If you want to add something else, your background, that's all good, right? Everything is good. Then what you do is you are going to come in here, watch carefully. So I'm scrolling down, see over here, it says bulk create for me. If you don't see it, the bulk create, you can go on apps and then it will show you bulk create as one of the apps for you. Okay, so you create a clip bulk create and it says your upload CSV. Did you know was So let's go create, upload a CSV. And there's my file right here, SM test post sheet 1. I click on that and open. There you go. I have it over here. So you see right here, it says this is the first one field. So I come in here, I click on this text here, and you'll see these 3 dots will populate. I click on that and I go connect data. Let me do that again. It says connect data, and I pick up this file. There you go. So notice it automatically added this quote right here. This is the first quote from my spreadsheet. Now watch this. Click on continue, and it's going to produce all of my posts. Click continue and generate. And lo and behold, with just a matter of click, I have created 6 posts. Again, if I had 10, I would have created 10. If I had 20, I would have created 3. So look at this. All of these posts are created for me, and they are ready to be posted. If I want to adjust the font or anything like that, I can do that. And then I can go and schedule them in Facebook. I want to schedule them using Hootsuite or whatever it is that I want to create. There you go. There you have it, right? Isn't that awesome? So you have access to this. I'm going to stop sharing over here. So again, you're using ChatGPT and you're putting in a query, whatever social media posts you want to create. One of the things that I always encourage the people that are following me is you want to create posts in 3 categories. Number one, of course, a lot of people like to create inspirational posts, and that's fine. I showed you an example. The other thing that you also want to do is create posts that are specific in your industry. Right? So let's just say I help people build an affiliate business. So I might ask ChatGPT, like, hey, ChatGPT, can you create posts for me in, share 10 tips for affiliate marketers to use social media to build their online business, right? And it will go, and as a matter of fact, I did create that. Let me just, if I can show it to you. Right here. Again, it was something that I had generated while I was testing this whole thing. So let me click on home. I'm going to see if I can quickly show it to you just so that you know. Oh, there it is. Okay. So let me just share my screen with you so that I can share. Present, share screen, and we are going to go with home and share. So these posts right here, you see 1 of 9. So Raza's tips for affiliate marketers. This was also created from ChatGPT. Then I brought the CSV file into Canva, and then mass produced all of these. So these are ready to be posted. I'm going to pass these on to the person who does my social media, and they're going to schedule it strategically as needed. Hope this offered you some value, and let me know if you are going to try this. I want you to give it a shot, and I want you to do it and let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. How do you feel about leveraging technology and tools that are available for free, I might add, to be able to amplify and accelerate your social media content? Okay, awesome. That's it for me for now. Have a good one. Please do let me know how you like this video, and I'll make sure to bring you more content that helps you elevate your productivity, reach your customers, and really put your social media on fire. Have a good one.